In this lesson, we'll review a math question from the problem solving section. We're on page 800, question 15 out of 16. This is a difficult problem. We have a cube, and I apologize for the drawing, but it's a three-dimensional square, and each side has length of 2. We're told that A and B are midpoints, and the question's asking for the length of AB. So we know all the sides are 2. If A and B is a midpoint, these will be each 1, and this is 2. B is a midpoint, and that's 1 and 1. And we need the length not shown of AB. So here's AB. Now, I've said this before, anytime you have to find a distance between 2 points, whether it be in a cube, on the XY coordinate plane, inside a cylinder, always thinking about making a familiar shape, a right triangle, because then you can use Pythagorean theorem. So you have to think about this in 3 dimensions. So here we have the back right corner. We're midway up, that's B, and we're going to go straight down along the same plane down to the bottom right corner. So that length is 1. But then we have to cut across. We're at the back right corner up along the base, sorry, to A. Now I know it doesn't look like this, but this is a right triangle. So let's think about it. Pythagorean theorem. We need AB, that's the hypotenuse. We have one side, we have the height, but we don't have this base. But just keep looking at it. Well, doesn't that base make another triangle here? It's the hypotenuse of this triangle on the bottom, and here's the right angle. So really all this is the Pythagorean theorem twice. So let's first do it on the bottom. So that's going to be 1 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. So that's 1 plus 4, and c, well, I'll just do it the long way. So c squared equals 5. Then we take the square root of both sides, and it's root 5. That's c. So this bottom length here is root 5, and it's just one more time Pythagorean theorem. So now it's root 5 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared, and c squared is the AB line we're looking for. And this is going to be 5 plus 1 equals c squared, and c is root 6. And that's it. The answer here is D. So always think about making familiar shapes, right triangles, use Pythagorean theorem. Not too difficult if you remember that concept. All right, the answer here is D. See you next time. Thanks for watching.